We guide you through how to stream Netflix on Discord safely and smoothly. First thing you need to do is to open your browser and log into your Netflix account. Then, open Discord on your laptop and join a voice channel where you want to stream. After that, click share screen or go live and choose a specific browser window where Netflix is playing. Before you start streaming, make sure to turn off hardware acceleration in your browser settings. This helps prevent the black screen issue that usually appears when streaming movies. Once done, go back to Discord, set the streaming quality you prefer, and click Go Live. Now, press play on Netflix, and everyone in the channel will be able to watch with you. Keep your internet connection stable, adjust your audio levels, and remind viewers that this setup is private watch sessions, not public broadcasting. After the stream, just hit stop streaming and you're all set.